どこでも3D 魚釣り。Let's dive into 3D fishing fun. First, draw the shape of your fish and cut it out with scissors. Here's a cool tip. Don't cut off the fish's mouth. Next, put glue only around the edges and stick the two pieces together. Be careful not to glue the middle or the tail. Once the glue is on the edges, press them together until it looks like a fishy little bag. Now, stuff the bag with crumpled paper. Tear the paper into little pieces and fill it up bit by bit. If you spot a hole, just tape it up. Add some decorations to make it even cooler. Cut some paper into fun shapes and tape them on. It looks awesome if you decorate both the front and back. Crumple up some craft paper for extra texture. Next, let's make the fish's eyes. Choose your favorite eye shapes, roll up some tape, and stick them on. Now, add a fishing magnet to the opening to finish your fish. Time to make your fishing rod. Start by sticking 3 thick straws together with Scotch tape. Then, attach smaller straws to the ends of the thick straws. Thread a line through the small straw. Add some bait to the end of the line so the thread doesn't slip out. Stick a magnet to the end of the bait. Finally, attach the reel to the other end of the line. Give it a try, everyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun crafts.